everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous paper quilling mandala pattern design using few colors. So here I have created the monochromatic design using shades of greens, yellow, orange and little bit of white, and this is looking absolutely stunning. So I will share each and every step in detail, how to create each step with the measurements and how to arrange this. And I have just fixed it inside my handmade frame so you can decorate your house by standing it. So without any delay, let's get started. I'm starting with my first shape. For this I'm taking 1/4 strip of blue color and 1/4 strip of light green color and making one tight coil. For my all design today I am using only 3 mm strips and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So the tight coil is ready. Similarly I have prepared total 9 tight coils. Now I have created this one more tight coil using half strip of white, half strip of light green and one strip of dark green color using 3 mm strip for the center of our design. Now I am starting with my mandala pattern. For this I am taking 300 GSM white color cardstock which measures 16 by 17 centimeters. On 17 centimeter side I have just marked at 1 centimeter because I am going to slide it on my frame and it is easy to hold from 1 centimeter gap. Now diagonally I am just joining the 16 by 16 centimeter square from center to find out the center of the square in a cross pattern. So we have our center ready. Now using the random radius I am making one circle using my compass so that we can align our center tight coil by eyeballing it like this with the help of outer circle. So this is a good practice when you are making mandala. Then around this I am adding my small tight coils. And remember one thing, all the strips are having different GSM thickness. So I am showing my exact measurements today, but you can change up to your thickness. If you have thinner strips, you have to take bigger size of strip, and if you have thicker one you have to take smaller size of strip. Now for the next row I am taking one strip of dark green color and one strip of light yellow color and just wrapping it around the circle. Sometimes we have strips which is having 80 GSM thickness, sometimes we have 120 GSM or 100 GSM thickness. So before starting with making all the coils together, just create one coil and just check on your design first. Then for my next designs here I am taking 1/4 strip of light green color and making one tight coil. So the tight coil is ready. With the similar way we need total 10 tight coils. Now for the next shape I am taking half strip of light yellow color, half strip of dark yellow color and one strip of dark green color and making one big tight coil. So we need total 10 these type of shapes. And for next design I am taking one strip of dark green color and wrapping it around my pen which is having approx 1 centimeter diameter and making one ring shape. So we need total 10 ring shapes. Now taking back my mandala pattern, and first I am adding 2 tight coils exactly in the center straight line so that we can arrange remaining tight coils between these tight coils. And after doing this we have to just follow the previous shapes. Now adding my green color rings. And then I am just cleaning the inside of the ring using wet brush immediately to wipe out any excess glue marks because it looks tacky after drying. So your work should be neat and clean. So I am cleaning each and every ring using wet brush, and then between each ring I am adding small light green color tight coils. So this is completely done. Now starting with next shapes. So for this shape I am taking here 1/4 strip of red color, 1/4 strip of dark yellow color, 1/4 strip of orange color and 1/4 strip of white color and making one tight coil. Mostly I am using tight coils only for my today's mandala, but you can introduce different shapes like teardrops, leaf shapes according to your choice. Now for the next shape I am taking 1/4 strip of orange color, 1/4 strip of light yellow color and half strip of orange color and making one tight coil. So we need 20 these type of shapes. Now taking back my mandala pattern, and first I am adding some small tight coils which I am using 1/8 strip of light green color to fill this small gap. And then starting with my orange color shapes. So on top of light green tight coils I am adding these beautiful colored orange, red, white mixed tight coils. Then on top of this I am adding two small tight coils. And this is done. Now starting with next shapes. So for my first shape I am taking here 1/8 strip of white, 1/8 strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark green and making tight coil. So we need 20 these shapes. For next shape I am taking 1 strip of dark orange color and making one tight coil, and we need total 10 dark orange tight coils. Then for my third shape I am taking half strip of dark yellow color and 1/4 strip of orange color, and we need total 10 these type of shapes. Now taking back my mandala pattern and start decorating with these 3 patterns which we have done. Like this. Then starting with next 3 shapes. For my first shape I am taking 1/4 strip of red color and making one small tight coil, and we need total 20 shapes. For next shape I am taking half strip of dark green color and making tight coil, and we need 20 these type of shapes. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of dark green, 1/4 strip of dark yellow, 1/4 strip of light green, 1/4 strip of dark yellow and half strip of dark green color and making one tight coil. So we need 10 these type of shapes. So all 3 shapes are done. Then taking back my mandala pattern and I am extending the design using the previous shapes. For the gluing purpose, I am using here Fevicol because according to me, Fevicol works best with paper project. So this is also done. Now for the next shape, I am taking half strip of light green and half strip of white color, gathering both together and start rolling it using your quilling tool and make a coil. Then attaching half strip of dark green color with this, and our tight coil is ready. So we need total 10 these type of shapes. Now for the next shape, I am taking 1/4 strip of light green and half strip of white color and making one tight coil. And we need total 20 these type of shapes. Now start putting these white and green tight coils between previous shapes like this. And on top of this, I am adding the big tight coil. Like this. Then for next shape, I am taking 1/4 strip of white and 1/4 strip of dark yellow color, making one tight coil. We need total 20 these type of shapes, and for next shape I am taking 1/4 strip of white and half strip of dark yellow color and making one tight coil. We need total 10 these type of shapes. Now putting small yellow tight coils first, and then on top of this I am adding bigger one. So just completing the pattern. And this is done. Then for the final touch up, I am using here 1/4 strip of orange color tight coil, which we need 20 in total quantity, and putting it between the small space here. So if you have some small space remaining after doing all the work, you can just fill those spaces using small tight coils like this, using same color combo. Try to avoid similar color nearby. You can just play with them, which looks nice to your eyes. Just add these type of shapes all together. And this is completely ready. Now I'm just decorating the border using red color strips. So I have added 2 strips on all 4 sides to give nice dark border look. And this is completely ready, looking absolutely stunning after adding the border. The colors are looking more vibrant and fresh. And now I'm taking my handmade frame, which I have already shown in one of my video. So I'm just passing my quilling work through this. If you haven't seen the handmade frame video yet, I have given the link in description box. You can check there. And after putting it in frame, you can just decorate your space, your rooms, or you can just gift it like this. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.